no? Kung titingnan lang natin kung paano tatambalin yun sa oras, no? Mauubos yung oras mo, kaka-defend nun, pero 300 plus, imagine mo kung 1 minute each sila, wala ka talagang magagawa sa ganun. That's why the real fight is outside the halls of Congress, outside the halls of power even, where you have organizations, sectors organizing themselves to clear campaigns, articulating their demands, which will, not only reach the ears, pero provide pressure, clear pressure sa mga taong sanay sa comforts of their life.
You are 27 years old. You are idealistic. You are now a representative at a time when Congress is seen as its most corrupt. What shocked you?
Okay. Siguro po muna, yung 2025 budget, even though ngayon nasiwalat, yung kalalaan, ang contender ng most corrupt budget dapat yung 2026.